Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you how you can take a PDF document and convert that into a Word document. I'm going to show you two methods and then you can choose whichever one is best for you. So here on the desktop I've just got a test PDF document that I created for this video. So if I just go ahead and open that, so you can see here's the PDF document that I'm reading in Adobe PDF Reader. So the best way to convert that, if you have Word or Microsoft Word installed on your machine, just right click on the PDF document, select Open With, and then if you can't see Word, click on Choose or select Another App, and then scroll down until you find Word, and then just click on that, and then Word will just import that and prompt you to say that it's going to convert that from PDF into an editable Word version. So we just wait for that to open, click on OK, and then as you can see here, that's imported that now, and that's ready to save as a Word document. So I'll just go ahead and save that so you can see it on the desktop. So we just call that converted and hit save. And here we are, you can see the converted PDF file into Word saved on the desktop there. Now there is another way that you can do that. So if you don't have Word document ready to hand, you can do that using an online tool. So if you just open up a browser, I'm just using Chrome. If you type in ilovepdf.com and go to that website, once you've opened the website, you can then look for, when you can do convert PDF, you can say PDF to Word and just select that. And then all you need to do is select the file or drag and drop. So if you just minimize the screen, click onto the PDF document and drag that in. Once it's in, bottom right, click on Convert to Word. Once that's done, you just hit download the document. And then if you look in your downloads folder, you will see the converted file. And so there you can see it's saved, built by Pete, into text. So there's two versions. Ideally, I think you should use Word if you can, because it doesn't use any online tools. And failing that, you can use the online editor, but bear in mind you are uploading the file online, so you've no idea what's going on with that file once it's uploaded. So if it's something that you care about, I wouldn't upload it. Other than that, if it's just for any day-to-day files, then why not? Anyway, I hope those two methods help you out. If they do, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.